Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone and Apple Watch are paired and health permissions are enabled. Tap the Activity app and set move calories, exercise minutes, and stand hours. Choose a realistic calorie target so you stay motivated rather than discouraged. Once done, enable notifications and automatic goal suggestions so the system learns your patterns. This fast start puts data collection in motion immediately, which is essential because accurate tracking depends on consistent. Now you focus on execution, where your watch snug and start the workout app for any intentional activity, walking, running, cycling, or HIIT, because workouts lock in higher accuracy for calories and heart rate. Make sure auto pause is set for intervals and that GPS is enabled for outdoor routes. Once you finish, let the data sync to health. Check the activity rings and trends each evening to confirm calorie, exercise, and stand data aggregated correctly. This habit reinforces accurate long-term progress. To finish your daily workflow, aim to close your move, exercise, and stand rings deliberately. Adjust goals weekly to reflect improvements. If you see missing workouts or stalled ring progress, restart your watch and iPhone, then re-enable health and activity permissions. This often restores background sync. If numbers feel off, calibrate your watch with a 20-minute outdoor walk while carrying the iPhone to improve pace and calorie estimates. One key tip: check sensor contact and watch placement if heart rate readings look inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.